Hi everyone, this is Tita Esther. Welcome to Tita Esther's Kitchen. Today, because Valentine is just around the corner, I will share with you an easy and fast way to make a heart-shaped banana cake with sugar icing. These are the ingredients needed. 1 pack vanilla sugar, 1 pack baking powder, 1 cup sugar, 2 cups flour, 1 cup yogurt, half cup oil, 2 fresh eggs, 2 mashed bananas, and 3 bananas to be sliced. Just follow the steps now. Let's start mixing together. Flour, add sugar, followed by vanilla sugar and baking powder. Mix the dried ingredients first. Then add 2 eggs. Add the oil, followed by yogurt. Add the mashed bananas. As you can see, mix everything well. And finally, use the mixer. This is my heart-shaped baking form. And to prevent the cake in sticking, I'm laying out a baking paper. One of Tita Esther's secret, I will share it to you. I have to add banana slices in the cake so it will be more tastier. Here I add the sliced bananas in the half-filled baking form. In the meantime, preheat the oven for 180 degrees centigrade and then bake the cake for 55 minutes. Now, pour the rest of the dough to cover the bananas. Oh, that looks good. The cake goes 55 minutes in the oven. Let's put the cake in the oven. "55 minutes is over." Now it's finished. The cake is ready to cool down. It looks good. Now we have to let it cool down, then we'll put the icing later. So now the cake cools down so we can do the icing. This time I'm going to use a ready-made icing which I will put in a hot water for 5 minutes. Alam nyo na, para sa mga taong nagmamadali at walang time, this is a very easy to use. You can just buy it in a grocery. Let's prepare the cake for the icing and take it out from the baking form. Some people use butter, but I'm using baking paper because for me it works always well. Let's see how it is. Oh, it's perfect. So now it's ready for Valentine. Let's do the icing. You have to press it a little bit so that it will be mush. I have to cut the corner. And just Now, spread the icing with a brush till the whole cake is covered. It takes some time, but it's worth the result. And now I put some chocolates, or you can use also other decorations on top. So, this is my Valentine's banana cake with icing and choco flakes. You've seen how fast and easy it is to make. I hope you will like it and you will do it also for your loved ones. Happy Valentine's Day! This is Tita Ester. Maraming salamat and mabuhay kayong lahat. And don't forget, always be sensational. Thank you for watching this video till the end. It shows me that you're interested in baking my Valentine's banana cake. Maraming salamat, and if you're new in my channel, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Mabuhay kayong lahat, and God bless!